something called as metabolic heat. Grahapatya Agni. There is something called as metabolic heat. Grahapatya Agni. Now your body cough basically needs heat and pressure to transform from one form to your tissues, the body tissues. Cough comes from food. Food is basically the element from which shleshma or kapha comes. So, if your body has proper heat and pressure and heat, your body's ecosystem of pressure and heat is proper, then the kapha gets utilized and your tissues gets formed. Rasa, rakta, mans, med, asthi, majja, shukra. This is the process in which, or the sequence in which tissues form from shleshma or from rasa. Now, if you have proper thermal ecosystem and pressure ecosystem, the processing will be proper. So you can correct the pressure only through Kumbhak. Kumbhak is the method to correct the pressure or Vata. So Kumbhak becomes the king of Ayurveda. Kumbhak becomes the king of Ayurveda. But we have not established Kumbhak yet. If we establish Kumbhak and use some Ayurvedic medicine, it can work like magic. Kumbhak is primary to reversal of any disease in your body. Without Kumbhak, no possibility.